Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Sometimes they say a picture is worth 1,000 words, but sometimes a proverb can say it all in a few. So today's proverb is a sledgehammer to crack a nut. So the expression a sledgehammer to crack a nut is used metaphorically to describe using excessive force or effort to solve a simple or minor problem. It implies using a tool or approach that is much more powerful or intense than what is necessary at hand. In short, it's the use of excessive resources to overcome a small problem. And here are some example sentences. In the first example, we could say using a full-scale investigation to find a missing pencil is like using a sledgehammer to crack a nut. And in the second example, we could say his aggressive response to a simple disagreement was like bringing a sledgehammer to crack a nut. And in the third example, we could say the company's decision to launch a massive marketing campaign for such a niche product felt like using a sledgehammer to crack a nut. And in the fourth example, we could say she brought a team of lawyers to handle a minor parking ticket, which seemed like using a sledgehammer to crack a nut. And in the fifth example, we could say the teacher's strict punishment for a small mistake was like using a sledgehammer to crack a nut, causing unnecessary stress for the students. And in the sixth example, we could say the following: using the air ambulance to get Granny to hospital was a sledgehammer to crack a nut. She could work perfectly well, and we live 200 yards away. Thank you all for tuning in and investing your time in learning with me. Your support and engagement mean the world. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, stay focused and keep striving for your goals. Bye bye.